Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India, is the leading center for IT, research, education and aerospace industry. RLDA is redeveloping 8.61 acres of surplus land at Bengaluru Kant station, combining railway residential infrastructure with revenue generation. Bengaluru Suburban Railway Project joins hand with redevelopment of railways residential infrastructure. Bengaluru Suburban Project aims to address the city's growing traffic demands and alleviate traffic congestion. Land redevelopment project will generate revenue of Rs 315 crores to railways, including cost of railway residential development. Project will provide state-of-art residential infrastructure for staff in place of old and dilapidated quarters. The project is RLDA's first ever high-rise residential tower comprising one basement plus ground floor plus 24 residential floors. The tower will house 132 units including 96 Type 2 and 36 Type 3, a benchmark under RLDA's monetization vertical. Tower will have modern features of a gated community like car parking, 4 lifts, 2 for services, STP, electrical substation, DG backup, OHD, fire safety and water recycling. Interiors comprise of TV panel, branded fittings, semi-modular kitchen. Architectural design and interiors have been done by RLDA HQ's team. RLDA headquarters team duly suiting the city's weather and conforming to railways norms. The design incorporates best-in-class industry practices of a superior living environment comparable to leading developers. Construction commenced in April 2024 and is progressing with lightning speed, resulting in concreting of all 25 slabs in a span of 16 months till August 2025. To achieve this, the latest construction technology of Milestone shuttering has been deployed for the first time in railways. Milestone construction is a special feature of the project, which uses aluminium formwork to construct high-quality concrete structures at rapid pace. Multiple parallel activities like tiling, gypsum plastering, railing, cupboard fixing, quota stone, window or door, painting, waterproofing in wet areas and lift installation are in progress. Icing on the cake is safety clubbed with fast-paced construction. This was ensured by educating the staff on a daily basis, duly conducting safety talks and seminars at regular intervals. Regular meetings were conducted with all stakeholders for monitoring the project and resolving the bottlenecks. Fast progress made possible through careful planning and meticulous execution by a full team of RLDA and developers. The achievement marks a stamp of RLDA's growing competence in construction.